Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So right after the market opening, we saw some movement. We saw some volatility on the chart. My dear friends, I do not want to repeat the same stuff. If you're looking for a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. So we discuss in detail about the chart of DXY, and we also discuss about the dynamic support from the 200 moving average DXY is getting. So we saw that right after the market opening, DXY saw some correction, but 200 moving average provided the right amount of support and we saw market bouncing. So market is still sustaining above the 200 moving average and right now standing at 112.08. So if DXY manages to stay above this line, then obviously DXY or US dollar will try to go up again. But during the day, if we saw further correction and if we saw DXY breaking the 200 moving average and going down further, then there will be some further correction and we will see further recovery on the chart of gold, on the chart of Euro USD, GBP USD and others. So my dear friends, keep your eyes on the chart of DXY. I think today it's better to wait for some time and we should wait for the US session. Okay, right now while recording this video, okay, I am in the Asian session and I do not see any proper opportunity in the market right now. So it's better to wait for the US session so that we get a better picture of the market. Things are still the very same. Market is taking support here. If market bounces, then it will enter inside the symmetrical triangle pattern again, and as we all know, symmetrical triangle pattern is a bilateral pattern. So yes, there may be a breakout by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or by the end of this week. But yes, there may be a big breakout coming soon if DXY bounces from here, and if it starts falling, then obviously we will see recovery on Euro USD. Now let's have a look at the chart of euro dollar. So on the chart of euro dollar, nothing has changed. Levels are still very much intact, but again I'll say that if you already have taken a sell position, listen to me carefully. If you already have taken a sell position as per our last discussion on Saturday, then you can be on the trade. No need to exit from a trade right now. But if you're looking for a fresh entry, then it's better to wait for the European session at least. Okay, European session or US session, because right now DXY is not giving us any clear move yet. Okay, let's wait and watch. Again I'll say that this is still a valid resistance for us, 0.9850 to 0.9880. This is a valid resistance for us. If market breaks also this level, do not take a buy position immediately. Okay, if you see that there is a big green candle, then that's a differential. But otherwise, if you see a normal breakout, then it's better to wait for the market to settle. See, this is the main reason I always tell you to wait for some time, because if you enter immediately, you will be trapped, and this is a pure example of a false breakout. Keep in mind, confirmation is the insurance of traders. After all, we are retail traders, our capital is limited, so capital protection is our first priority. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. So if you see also a breakout, wait for some time. After 3 to 4 hours, if you see that market is trading comfortably above this level, then only take a buy position, because trading at pullback or after retracement is the best option in this scenario. And in case market falls, then already I have discussed in my previous videos the support levels. Please watch the video for a detailed analysis about the picture of euro dollar. Okay, so and lastly, my dear friends, the workshop is back again. Few days left. I would like to remind that this is not a signal service. This is for those who are very much serious about the market, those who are struggling with the market for last couple of months and years, who have lost all the hopes in the market. Okay, if you're really struggling with the market right now, then you can check out the link in the description. I think this will help you out, because this is because this I am on a mission to spread the knowledge. That's why I have kept the fees probably the lowest in the market. Okay, and after the workshop also, you will also receive 1 month of free support, which is not a matter of joke. So I think if you're really serious about learning, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, please sign up. Okay, you'll highly benefit from it. Okay, bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow, and please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble. Bye bye.